Right here is the, I believe, St. Peter Street Road crossing of New Orleans, Louisiana. Right here is the first signal here. Here's its base. And the emergency information. Not as much stickers on this signal as I've seen on others. Some pedestrian lights on this and no bell. Right here is the second signal, which is also a pedestrian signal. Oh, look down in there. There's the base, and there's the lights. I don't feel like coming up with the signals with that guy on my desk. What I'm doing, and I don't want that to happen. And right here is the cantilever that this crossing uses. It uses a Safetran base. Right here is the emergency information. This crossing going by the New Orleans Public Belt. Up there is a Safetran mechanical bell and some Safetran, I don't know what brand these are. They're general signals LEDs.